The Rain Room building in Sharjah has been designed by Sharjah Art Foundation and the UAE-based Space Continuum Design Studio in collaboration with Shape Architecture Practice Research. The responsive environment follows visitors as they navigate the darkened underground space, preventing the rain from falling directly above any detected human presence. Rain Room invites you to walk through a downpour of continuous rain without getting wet. Let's go inside Rain Room and I will show you how it looks and how amazing feelings.